Japan is an enigma. It's the world's third largest economy, but it has little land and fewer natural resources. It's home to tech giants like Sony and automakers like Toyota. And yet most people know Japan for its ancient temples and geishas. How did this island nation become so rich despite being hit by 2 atomic bombs? Not once, but twice. The answer isn't luck or chance. It's a testament to timeless wisdom, unwavering values, and an indomitable spirit that we all need in our lives. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of history's greatest success stories and bring them to life for you. Today, let us explore the incredible journey of Japan and uncover the 6 profound lessons that have made it one of the richest nations on Earth. Lesson No. 1. Your past struggles don't define your future. After World War II, Japan was a shadow of its former self. Cities were in ruins, industries were shattered, and millions were struggling to rebuild their lives. But instead of succumbing to the devastation, the Japanese people and their leaders set a bold vision for the future. They looked beyond the rubble and saw an opportunity to create a new and even stronger Japan. With unwavering determination, they embarked on a journey of recovery and transformation. Lesson 2. Every small step matters. In the aftermath of World War II, Japan adopted the philosophy of Kaizen, which emphasizes continuous improvement through small, consistent steps. This approach permeated every aspect of Japanese society, from the way businesses operated to how individuals lived their lives. People understood that true progress was the sum of countless tiny efforts, each one building upon the last. This mindset shift enabled Japan to rise from the ashes and become an economic powerhouse. The Japanese work ethic is legendary. From the precision of their manufacturing to the punctuality of their trains, the Japanese demonstrate an unwavering commitment to quality and timeliness. They understand that greatness is not a matter of luck or circumstance, but a product of discipline, focus, and respect for excellence. Lesson No. 4. Don't abandon your roots. Instead, use them to build something greater. Japanese companies like Sony and Toyota have achieved global success by blending innovation with traditional values. They harness the power of technology while respecting long-standing customs and traditions. As a result, they've created products and services that not only meet the needs of a global market, but also reflect the unique cultural heritage of Japan. Lesson number 5. True success isn't about beating others. It's about lifting each other up. In Japan, success is not a zero-sum game. Rather than competing fiercely to outdo one another, workers, companies, and communities strive to lift each other up. This collaborative spirit fosters a sense of unity and collective accomplishment. By supporting and encouraging one another, everyone benefits, and together they achieve extraordinary things. Lesson number 6. Resilience turns tragedy into strength. Japan has faced countless natural disasters, from earthquakes and tsunamis to volcanic eruptions and economic downturns. Yet through it all, the Japanese people have shown remarkable resilience. They rebuild their lives stronger and more determined than ever before. Each challenge becomes a stepping stone on their path to growth and prosperity. Now here's the million-dollar question. What can we learn from Japan's extraordinary journey? Even without abundant natural resources or a strategic geographic location, Japan's story teaches us that with a clear vision, unwavering values, and relentless discipline, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. It's a lesson that transcends time and geography, reminding us that success is not a matter of luck or circumstance, but a conscious choice. We've just scratched the surface of what makes Japan one of the richest nations on Earth. Each of these lessons could be expanded into a full-length video. We encourage you to dive deeper into each one, explore them in your own life, and see how they can unlock your true potential. Japan's journey is an inspiration to us all, a living testament to the power of human resilience, adaptability, and the pursuit of excellence. Let their story ignite your passion and fuel your journey towards success. And now, it's time for the punchline. Remember, Japan proves this. You don't need perfect conditions to succeed. You need strong values and unstoppable discipline. If this video ignited your spirit, hit that like button and share it with a friend who's chasing their dreams. If you haven't already, subscribe and never miss out on our life-changing content. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.